Hey guys, Jason. I'm still surviving dad life. Today we're going to be talking about accessories, and like on our pickups, the cabs keep getting bigger and the bed keeps getting smaller. So we're having to come up with ways to store our stuff that we need to carry throughout the day. And if you ever been driving around, you go down the road and a deer jumps out in front of you. Oops, I did it again. Oh God. Oh, freaking deer. It's always, oh man. Not again. Oh, dang it. Not again. Dang it. I wish this stuff would just stay back there. And you got to put all that stuff back up underneath your seat. Well, today's storage solution that I had sent to me is going to help with that problem, keep everything put where it needs to be, and, maximize your storage. Anyway, I'm going to get this product out. We're going to bust it open and we'll talk about it. All right, guys, like I was saying earlier, let's unbox this thing. We're going to take a look at what it is. Still working on my outdoor kitchen, so cut me some slack. I've gotten a few products from this company, and I'll put the link to where you can get this in the description below. I still don't know how to pronounce the name. Oedro, something like that. But I've gotten like floor mats from them, a bed cover. I got a bull guard recently, and I'll be installing that on the truck one of these days. And so far, it's quality stuff, and it's not like terribly expensive. One thing about this Underseat storage organizer is they call it a 2-in-1. All right. I got everything out of there. That works. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know it came with these dividers. Anyway, hopefully you guys can see this. They call it a 2-in-1 because not only is it just an organizer that fits under your seat, this side over here comes out. So if you're, I don't know, say installing something on your pickup or working on something or whatever, and you keep like hand tools in here that you need to take with you to while you're doing something. Like, for instance, you got a flat tire. I hate having flat tires. On this side, you could put your sockets and like an impact wrench. Grab a hold of this thing, carry it out with you, change your flat, and you're done. Put everything back in and put it back. Another thing, when you put this underneath your seat, it doesn't just slide up underneath there and you throw your stuff into it. It actually comes with some mounting screws where you actually have to install it in there through these holes right here. Oh, it's right here. Oh, right there. These two holes here, and it'll stop this from sliding back and forth. Anyway, it's not cheap plastic. It's fairly thick. It's gonna hold up to whatever you put into it. But that's my initial look at it. And like I was saying, this company makes quality stuff. I'm gonna move you guys. We'll go over here. I'll get my crap out of the truck, and then we'll install this in the back seat. All right. I guess the ultimate test is going to be if this thing will fit in here correctly with the floor mat. These floor mats, I'll put a link in the description. They come from the same company that makes these. But pretty much they lay down in here and... I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's no gap right here, so it sets up flush against it. I'll grab the camera and bring you guys in here, and I'll show y'all how the organizer gets attached to the seat. All right, all for the sake of the video, I'm going to climb in here so y'all can see how this is done. I got instructions here, And I don't know how many y'all read instructions, but anyway, there's two there's two bolts that hold this bracket in. You remove the top one, which is on this F150, is a 8mm socket, and take that out. The screw will be able to thread right in there to the existing nut that's back there. Okay, this does include washers and a nut in case yours doesn't have this bracket here. But anyway, that's all it is. You take out this top one and then this one here, you slide it up and then screw it in. So I'm going to get after it. I didn't realize how much room I had in here. I can dang near stand up. All right. Okay. Get that one started and I'll come over there and put the other one in. I call this a thumb screw, but if you look at it, that's what you screw into it. And then it goes right through this hole into the this hole here, into the pre-existing hole. And then they're elongated, so you can put them however you want to. And then it's in there. Okay. So now I can load this thing up with whatever tools I might need and get it organized. All right, I've got it screwed in where it needs to go. And as you can see, the seats go down all the way. There's no issues. And then if I were to slide and hit the brakes because of a deer or something, my stuff is not going to slide around. All right, like I said a while ago, I'm going to get to, or in the description, I'll put a link where you can find the product. If you guys are like me and you need more storage and organization, I would definitely jump on this. It's not outrageous in price. And once again, it's a good product that they make. Anyway, you guys get out of here. Go find your own stuff or get you one of these. And while I'm at it, I'm going to get to organizing my stuff.